a way out? I did it. Cornered you. Done what no one else could. All these years, all your enemies. But none of them understands you like I do. You think Crane found Oracle on his own? I'm the one who told him about Barbara. Me! I told you I knew everything about you, didn't I? Don't worry, Bruce. I kept some secrets to myself.
Yeah, you shouldn't have come back.
Thanks for the advice.
You trying to be funny? Hey, everybody! Too late to run now. Boys scared? Could be.
Think you could beat it? That's not how it works.
Get me out of here, Batman. We need to get Scarecrow.
Turn around.
Who are you?
You really have no idea. Do you, Bruce?
Jason. But you're dead.
Let's not fall out here, Bats. I might hold you a teeny tiny little lie. But come on, look at the boy. You did good. We did good. You should be proud.
What's the matter? Lost for words? I expected more. I'm hurt.
Joker sent me the film. I saw him kill you.
Don't you dare lie to me! How long did you wait before replacing me, huh? A month? A week? I trusted you! And you just left me to die!
That's not what happened.
You always told me, Bruce. Focus on what I want to achieve, and it'll happen. You wanna know what I want now, huh? I want you dead.
Can't hide from me! I will hunt you down!
Jason's taken a sniping position. I need to get close, take him by surprise.
You're no hero, no savior. You failed me, and now you're gonna fail Gotham the same way. even look for me? Or did you just look for a replacement?
Jason, I can help you.
There's no helping me! You're not the only one with sidekicks!
Go get him, Batman.
Red Dragon's all clear. Restaurant's clear. Good work. Work together. Don't let the bastard get us.
Spread out. Watch your corners. I got you covered from above.
Can't see him. Think he's hiding up there? Don't matter. Knight's got our backs on this one.
This is where you die, Batman. This is where you get what you deserve.
Bat took the bait. Fan out. Keep calm. He doesn't stand a chance. I'm right on our side. Picking up the signal again.
It's just a man out there. He can't hurt you.
Guys, okay? Anything? Nothing. Okay, don't fall asleep. He's here somewhere.
Stay sharp, boys. Don't let him scare you. He's nothing if you're not afraid.
You can't beat us, Batman. We've got the Knight on our side. The thing's terrified. Us and the Knight? He doesn't have a chance.
Scarecrow has plans for you, Batman. But all I want is you dead.
You broke my buddy's arm tonight, Bat. He gave half the boys in the airship concussion. What the hell? I saw something move under the floor. Nothing there now. What happened to him? It's Batman. He's here. You sure? Leave it! We need to look out for ourselves. Ah!
Thinks he's a hero, boys. Let's prove he's not. He's watching. Stay alert. It was all about you, what Joker did. He ruined me to spite you.
Joker got to you. I know what it's like.
Don't pretend to understand!
That's a bet. I need to escape through the shutter before the gas is released.
Make him hurt, Batman.
I learned. Take a little pain, Batman. I learned from the best. But you can't hurt what you can't see. Optic deflection armor. Your sensors won't work. Use your eyes, Batman. If you remember how.
All clear on the upper level. Lower level looks clear.
Not this time, Batman. You're lost without the cow. How long has it been since you hunted without the cow?
Scarecrow wants him alive. Well, the Knight wants him dead. I know who I answer to.
You got him running scared.
Too quiet. Report! Who's that? Man down! What's your location? Ground floor, middle of the room! Hey, what happened to you? Leave him! We need to look out for ourselves! No!
How long before you stop searching for me? How long before you gave up? You won't win. Not this time.
Stand down, Robin.
Don't call me that! It's not who I am! There's no escape. Not this time. I'm not afraid of you, Bruce. You're not a legend to me.
The drone sensors are temporarily disabled, but I can only hack one at a time. So the previous drone, back online. I can't sabotage that until I upgrade the disruptor.
It won't be quick, Bat. And you will suffer!
Get us out of here.
Do you even know what Joker did to me? The games he used to play? This is mercy compared to what he put me through. This makes us even, Bruce. I'm not afraid of you, Bruce. You're not a legend to me. How long before you stopped searching for me, How long before you gave up?
The drone sensors are temporarily disabled, but I can only hack one at a time, so the previous drone will be back online. Jason will see me coming. I need to get directly under the vantage point to take him down.
You're Robin, Jason. You're not what he made you.
Stop! Stop talking to me! You did this to me.
I'm sorry.
You left me to rot in that abandoned wing of Arkham for over a year! With him.
It's not too late. We can fix this. Together. Alfred, I found Jason.
Excuse me, sir. I must have misheard you. For a moment, I thought you said that you'd found Master Todd.
You heard right.
My God, is he all right?
No. No, he's not.
Oh, guess that's the end of the Arkham Knight. He chose the name himself, you know. Bless him.
We need to get up to the roof. Scarecrow's there.
What happened?
Than in the madhouse.
I went after Crane. Got caught.
Oh, I
Jim,
missed that place,
I'm
don't
sorry
you?
about Barbara.
Who knows?
Don't.
Maybe we'll end up
Let's
back
just
there
get this
one
over
day,
with.
eh?
I should have stopped him. Jim, look out!
Surround him and attack! Damn, that's gonna hurt! Attack from behind! You're supposed to stop him!
You okay, Jim?
I've been worse.
Jim, I just want to say, working with Barbara, it was an honor.
Don't.
Even if you'd known what she was doing, you couldn't have stopped her.
Stubborn like her old man.
Brave.
You know, you see a lot in this job, a lot of pain, a lot of suffering. But I'll never forget taking a witness statement from an 8-year-old boy who'd just seen his parents gunned down.
You were kind, Jim.
I was thinking, I may never get a chance to tell you this, to say sorry.
You don't need to.
We're the same, Bruce. We'd do anything for our family. Come on.
On your knees, Crane. Now.
So you did it. I must admit I had my doubts that you could make this happen.
I'm not asking again.
And I'm not talking to you. It is time.
Time for what?
Jim. I'm sorry. It was the only way. Get me my daughter.
Dad!
Barbara. Are you all right? Did he hurt you?
What are you doing?
Call in the transport. We're leaving.
Yes, sir.
It is time for the people of Gotham to see their savior for who he truly is. A man, just a man, devoid of hope, betrayed by his friends, crippled by fear.
Let her go.
You both still have a part to play.
We had a deal.
Once I understood your greatest fear, controlling you was simple. You blame yourself for her condition. You need to protect her, but buried deep down is the inevitability that you will one day fail. And that fear makes you mine. Think very carefully about your next move, Commissioner. Her life depends on it.
Dad! No!
Did you think I wanted him dead? Did you think that would save your daughter? Do you know what happens when a man refuses to be controlled by his fears? He must face them.
No! Take me! Please, it's not her you want. Take me!
You don't scare me.
Shh. It's okay to be afraid.
Are you hurt?
I thought Dad killed you.
He knew what he was doing.
Where? Where are they taking you? Where's the Batmobile?
Destroyed.
What?
Don't worry. Lucius made a spare.
Sir, the car has a full complement of upgrades, including an improved weapons generator.
stay within range of the remote control. I need to stay within range of the remote control.
Armor still intact. Twin Rattler offline. Armor holding. Diamondback offline. Multiple units offline.
Scarecrow's going to kill him, isn't he?
Not while he can use him to get to me.
Oh, how chivalrous. Remember the time you carried me like that? I don't, because I was dead.
I'll get you set up at the precinct. We'll find your father. Barbara, Scarecrow manipulated me. I watched you die.
He gassed you, Bruce. You don't need to worry about us or feel responsible. We're fighting with you, not for you, okay?
It's good to have you back. Cash, I found Barbara. I'm bringing her to the lockup.
She's alive. Thank God. What about Gordon?
He was captured by Scarecrow.
You've got to be kidding me.
We'll get him back, Cash.
Where's Tim? Is he okay?
I left him at the movie studios. He's fine.
Barbara, it's great to see you.
Hello, Aaron. It's been a while.
Barbara's gonna be helping out here.
Whatever you say. She work for you now? Hell, what am I saying? We all do, right?
Okay, let's see. First, establish comms with the clock tower computer. They really should upgrade these machines. Okay, we're in. Damn it. Scarecrow's men are already there.
They're trying to take out the server room. Copy the data off the mainframe.
I can't. The militia are locking down our access. We've lost the connection. We need that data. It's the only way to find my dad.
I'll handle it.
You can't go there. They'll be expecting you.
I'm counting on it.
All these years later, and I've still got a soft spot for little Barbara Gordon.